In this video, we'll show you what to do if the speakers on your HP laptop are not working and there is no sound. So to fix this, first right click on the speaker icon on the taskbar and then select sound settings. Now in the settings window that opens, go to the output section. Now here make sure the correct speaker device is selected. So make sure the correct output device is selected. Once you have selected that, use this slider to increase the volume level. So make sure the device isn't muted from here. Now scroll down and here click on more sound settings. Now in this window, you need to go to this playback tab. Here right click anywhere on an empty spot and then select show disabled devices. Now here make sure your device isn't disabled. So if your speaker's device is disabled, simply right click on it and then enable it from here. After enabling it, simply select it again and then click on this set default option. However, if this doesn't work either, what you can do is head to the search menu and then type in services. Now select the first result. Now in the services app, scroll down and locate this Windows audio service. Now right click on it and then choose restart. If the service is not running, the restart option will be grayed out. In that case, select start instead. After this, check if the audio is working. If nothing else works, however, what you can do is right click on the start icon and then go to device manager. In the device manager window, expand audio inputs and outputs. Here right click on your speaker driver and then select uninstall device. Now select uninstall again to confirm. Now scroll down and then go to sound, video and game controllers. Here find your audio driver again, right click on it and then select uninstall device again. Now tick this checkbox and select uninstall again. After that, restart your HP laptop and see if that fixes the problem. However, if nothing else works, what you can do is head to the settings app. Here go to the system tab. Now scroll down and then go to recovery. Now here you will see this option called fix problems using Windows Update. Now click on reinstall now and your issue should be resolved.